So here I'm just unpackaging the wig. Came in a plastic bag. And I'm just showing you guys the contents of it. The company, I guess, is Furea hair company. So it came with the wig, a pair of lashes that I tossed out, and a customer care card. That was pretty much it. So then I'm gonna show you all the construction of the unit. I can't even talk. It had 3 combs, I believe it was. 2 on the side, 1 in the back. Adjustable straps. I think the size of the cap was a medium. It's constructed nicely, I must say. It came with a few baby hairs, and this was the parting area. Alright, YouTube, so I'm back with just my thoughts and opinions on this very affordable synthetic wig that I ordered off of Amazon. I will link the exact wig in the description box, but I have one complaint, and that is these short pieces throughout the wig. I feel like it makes it look like a bird's nest. Any shedding that I have gotten, I believe it is because of me cutting more hair so that I can do baby hairs. And this side didn't really come out good, but I can fix that or comb it or whatever. But to me, it really doesn't matter. This side, I took my time. You know, you always got that one side, but whatever. The hair, when you brush it, it of course gets big like this. I am a fan of big hair. But if you use mousse, which I will demonstrate to you guys, it does define the pattern better. So I'm getting ready to grab my mousse. The parting space, now I did not like tweeze or do anything like this. I just parted it to the best that I could, and I just put a little concealer on that girl. Okay, my cap is light brown or nude or whatever color. I'm gonna show you the cap that I use that is underneath. And I did, I guess you could say, the bald cap method or whatever. I literally only used the Got To Be freeze spray and a little bit of the Got To Be glue. Okay, I didn't use any kind of like lace glue or bold hole or anything like that. And today is Monday. I think this has been on my head since Saturday. Okay, so at night I just tie my scarf around the edges, and then I braid it, and then I put it in a bonnet. That's how I do it. So I'm just gonna show you how you use a little mousse. It defines the curls or pattern or wave or whatever. You see how that sticks up right there? That's my one drawback that I don't like about this hair, this wig right there. So as you can see, it's coming together. Okay, so I take my Denman brush, that's what I've been using, or a wide tooth shower comb, right? And I start at the bottom. Like I say, any shedding that I get, I think it's because, and I'm actually not gonna comb it all the way through or brush it all the way through. So I wanna keep a little bit of the definition. So I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse to the bottom of the hair. Y'all can't even see. I don't remember the length that I got, but I will definitely, like I said, link everything in the description box. So as you see, we got more definition versus the wild, untamed. To me, I like this better because it just looks natural to me, because I am a fan of big hair. You guys should really know that by now. Fan of big hair. Even when my hair grows back, I need volume, like lots and lots of volume. So I'm just gonna mousse the other side, because I can't have one side defined and the other not. I'm not gonna do anything really but take more pictures, because I definitely need outside to open back up like immediately, but outside is like, y'all fine. So I've been unpacking, I've been furnishing my new place, and I decided, let me get a wig, okay? So here, like I said, I will link whatever information is needed in the description box. But here we are. She's cute. And I'll post the pictures where I didn't wear it in the middle part and I just kind of had it flip back. I'll post those pictures because they are on my Instagram, but I'll attach them to. Trying to stand on my tippy toes so y'all can see the length, but it's long. I'm 5'2", and it's long, but I like it. So yeah, remember, Styles by BK, she been cute. Come get cute.